好友快樂分享小劇場，一齊歡度呢個美妙愉快嘅季節呢。
你們好，春天已經來到，我們邀請大家欣賞Duffy與好友快樂分享小劇場，一起歡度這個美妙愉快的季節吧。
Hello friends, springtime is here, and we'd like to invite you to gather round to celebrate the joy and beauty of the season together, as we proudly share Duffy and Friends, the Joy of Sharing show.
Spring is a season of surprises.
有一個充滿驚喜嘅春天。
When winter time has finally reached its end.
你聽唔聽到啊？
Spring is a season of awakening.
係大自然嘅呼喚啊！
And what could be better than sharing it with friends?
Follow the sun, be in the shade of the trees, follow the wind.
Begin the gentle breeze. Let's find a spot where we can sit and spend the day. Listen for birds, looking to set free some that we know.
Look to the sky.
Brightening up the world below. So take my hand, we'll skip and dance and play. Spring's a sweet time to show our friends that we care. Spring's like a song that lives in hearts everywhere. Wonders all around, everything's alive and new.
Springtime is the sweetest gift.
And I wanna share it with you. Springtime is a treat, 'cause our friendship is so sweet.
When the sky is blue,
When the sun is strong, I'll be waiting there for you. Meet me with a song. Meet me with a song. Meet me with a springtime song.
follow my lead.
Let's follow our hearts. Laugh and chase the breeze and seize the day. Spring's a sweet time to show our friends that we care. Spring's like a song that lives in hearts everywhere. Wonders all around, everything's alive and new.
Springtime is the sweetest gift.
And I wanna share it with you. Springtime, oh springtime, oh springtime, oh springtime is here.
哇！你哋好啊！喺呢個大地回春嘅日子，有你哋一齊慶祝，真係開心啊！
That's right. Spring is a wonderful season, and it's a perfect time to share with family and friends. And speaking of sharing, we've got a story to share with you today.
冇錯啊！好似今日呢個咁熱鬧嘅日子，又點算得一個好故事？
So, would you like to hear it?
咁好啦！呢個係關於一班好朋友嘅故事，同大家一樣係喺一個春光明媚嘅日子入面發生。
One lovely spring day, some very good friends decided to leave the park for a fun springtime picnic.
你估下邊個會最先到達公園啊？
Duffy!
準備妥當，等朋友仔嚟到嘅時候可以玩得開心啲。但係好似仲爭啲嘢喎，係乜嘢咧？啊
That's it! Treats! Treats will definitely make the picnic sweeter.
講到茶點，個天就嚟到啦，我老媽都一齊嚟到幫手添啊！
Cookie Ann made some delicious treats to share, and there were so many, Olumel helped her carry them. Don't they look delicious?
有埋美味嘅茶點啊，仲多糖同茶，而其他朋友仔都嚟到啦。
Soon, Lena Bell, Stella Lou, and Jello Tony arrived, and they also brought something to contribute to the fun.
齊嚟得快，就啲心思嚟佈置一下。好啦，睇嚟大家都喺齊度咯喎。
No, wait! Where's Shelly May? There she is, and she's excited to show everyone something.
睇嚟 Shelly May 都帶咗啲驚喜俾大家。係一盆花，不過
Oh no, the flowers are wilting. Shelly May's upset because she thought she could add a touch of nature's beauty.
咦，同Lena Bell有辦法？
That's a great idea! We'll sprinkle the flowers with water and tend them, and then they'll become beautiful again.
美麗嘅鮮花加上窩心嘅友誼，呢個春日真係令人喜出望外啊！
How does a flower grow?
Starts with a seed, then gives it the rain and sun.
But what else does it need? How does a friendship grow?
It starts with a spark,
And then in a laugh or two,
some rough for a while,
give that friendship care.
and an affection that
And watch that friendship grow.
Whoa.
You are my sunbeam, my sky so blue. You are my umbrella when the rain is passing through. So many reasons you bring me hope and cheer. Friends for all seasons of the year. We're growing our friendship. We're tending our friendship. We're loving our friendship all year long.
太好啦，所有人都到齊，大家都做好準備啦。咁佢哋應該做乜嘢先呢？
Oh look, Lena Bell has a great idea for a fun game.
Lena Bell 諗到個遊戲，佢先將啲朋友仔分成兩個一組。
She's showing her friends a fun pose, and she's asking them to copy and mirror it. This is so much fun.
呢個遊戲都好得意喎，不如我哋都一齊試下。
I'd love to. Come on, let's all try and pose together.
你哋都可以同你身邊嘅家人朋友一齊玩嘅。
Yes, pair up with your own pal and play along. Ready? This side, do this. You go, and I go. Yes, that's it. You all look great.
跟住到 Shelly May 做動作啦，呢邊咁樣，你擺，我擺。哇！原來同好朋友一齊玩，真係充滿住驚喜㗎。
Lena Bell thinks everyone did a great job.
呢個時候 Stella Lou 有一個提議啊，不如我哋將啲動作變成舞步啊！
Oh, yes. Stella Lou has a great idea to take the game a step further. We can turn the poses into a dance. And of course, Olumel is happy to add a special musical flair.
有埋 Olumel 嘅伴奏，大家就跳得更加投入啦！
With Lena Bell's game, Stella Lou's dance, and Olumel's music, everyone is having
worried about it. What can the friends do to help?
究竟 Duffy 有啲乜嘢心事呢？
Duffy has realized the picnic is coming to an end soon.
原來 Duffy 唔捨得呢個咁開心嘅聚會就嚟完結，究竟佢哋要點樣先可以永遠記得呢個時刻呢？咦 ？Jenna 同學喺度做咩啊？睇嚟 Jenna Tony 準備發揮佢嘅藝術天分啊！
Right. How will Gelatoni's creative idea make his friend Duffy feel better? Let's watch to see what it is. Gelatoni's painting is almost complete, but it still feels like there's something missing.
Jenna Tony 嘅朋友都發現幅畫好似仲爭少少嘢喎。Cookie Ann 諗到辦法啦！
Everyone follows Cookie Ann's lead. And now, it's finished. Looks like they found a perfect way to remember their day. Everyone is happy now.
呢班好朋友好開心咁繼續去玩啊！佢哋對呢幅集體創作都非常之滿意。
Shall we take a peek at what they made?
好啊！大家都想睇下佢哋嘅創作，係咪？哇！幅畫好有意思啊！
It's a painting made by all the friends together. With this beautiful painting, it was easy to see that being able to share the day together was the sweetest springtime gift of all.
冇錯啊！同好朋友一齊分享快樂嘅時光，係春天帶俾大家最好嘅禮物啊！When the sky is
When the sun is strong, I'll be waiting there for you. Meet me with a song. Meet me with a song. Meet me with a springtime song. Follow my lead. Let's follow our hearts. Not to chase the breeze and seize the day. Spring's a sweet time to show our friends that we care. Spring's like a song that lives in hearts everywhere. Springtime, oh springtime, oh springtime, oh springtime is here.
We're delighted to share this joyful Duffy and Friends story as well as this lovely springtime with you, my friends.
希望你哋都喜歡呢個故事，而你哋都好將呢個快樂嘅故事分享俾你嘅好朋友聽㗎。